This is the Beats Fit Pro 2, and according to Beats, it's the ultimate workout earbud. Better fit, better sound, better everything. But here's the thing, we've heard that before. After using these for workouts, long flights, Zoom calls, and just daily life for a full week, I found something interesting. Beats Fit Pro 2 Product Overview. The Beats Fit Pro 2 are the latest fitness-focused true wireless earbuds from Beats Electronics, updated in late 2025. They build on the original Beats Fit Pro, which were already praised by outlets like The Verge and R.com for their secure fit and balanced sound. These are aimed squarely at active users, runners, gym goers, commuters who want solid noise cancellation, punchy sound, and a fit that won't budge mid-burpee. Retail price lands around the premium tier, competing directly with the Apple AirPods Pro 2. Beats Fit Pro 2 Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how do they actually perform? I use these for everything. Treadmill sprints, weightlifting, walking the dog, even a cross-country flight. First thing I noticed is the fit is legit. Those updated wingtip stabilizers really lock in. I was shaking my head like I was at a metal concert. Reese didn't move. Sound quality is classic Beats, but more refined. According to testing from sources like TechCrunch and R.com, the tuning leans toward a punchy low end without muddying vocals. And I agree. Bass hits hard during workouts, but podcasts and acoustic tracks still sound clean. Active noise cancellation? Surprisingly strong. Not quite over-ear headphone level, but very close to AirPods Pro 2. On my flight, engine noise faded into the background. Transparency mode is natural too. You can hear traffic clearly without feeling like audio is being piped through a tunnel. Call quality is solid. Wind resistance has improved and voices come through crisp. I did a few outdoor calls and nobody complained about hearing me. Features and tech. Let's talk standout features and why you should care. 1. Apple H2 chip. Just like the AirPods Pro 2, these use Apple's newer chip. Translation, faster pairing, more stable Bluetooth, and smarter noise cancellation adjustments. If you're an iPhone user, this is plug-and-play magic. 2. Adaptive ANC. The earbuds automatically adjust noise cancellation based on your environment. Walking into a busy coffee shop, ANC ramps up. Outside on a quiet trail, it relaxes a bit to save battery. It's subtle but smart. 3. Personalized spatial audio. With head tracking, movies and certain tracks feel more immersive. It's not life-changing for music, but for streaming shows on a plane, it adds a cool sense of space. Design and build. They've refined the wingtip design, so it's softer and less intrusive than the first-gen model. The matte finish feels premium and resists fingerprints. The physical click button controls are still here, and honestly, I love that. No accidental taps mid-workout. The case is compact enough for a jeans pocket, though not the smallest in the game. Build quality feels durable, like it can survive a gym bag toss. Battery life. Battery life is strong. You're looking at around 8 hours per charge with ANC off and about 6 hours with it on, plus multiple extra charges from the case. In real life, I went almost a full work week without needing to plug in the case. Fast charging gives you about an hour of playback from a quick 5-minute top-up, which is clutch before a workout. Pros. Punchy, balanced sound with improved clarity. Strong ANC and natural transparency mode. Seamless Apple ecosystem integration. Cons. Best features limited for Android users. Case still lacks some competitors' compactness. Final verdict. Look, if you're an iPhone user who works out regularly and wants earbuds that actually stay put, this is an absolute no-brainer. The combination of secure fit, powerful sound, and Apple-level convenience makes them one of the best workout earbuds you can buy right now. If you're deep in the Apple ecosystem and deciding between these and the AirPods Pro 2, go Beats if fit and gym performance matter most. Go AirPods if you prioritize slightly better transparency and a smaller case. Android users, they'll still work well, but you won't get the full magic. You might want to compare other cross-platform options.